Hi, let me show you a cast iron pan from Royal Catering. This is actually a very useful and very versatile piece of equipment I would see in any kitchen around the world. It's great for cooking steaks or fish and well, pretty much anything if you know how to do it. So this particular model is a round cast iron pan with a cooking surface of 26 centimeters and 30 centimeters of total diameter. Of course, it's made purely out of cast iron with a thickness of 3.6 millimeters, so it's quite thick. Also, a very cool feature is the pouring spout. So when you make a sauce on it after you fry something, you can just simply pour it down into a container. So that's actually very, very practical. It also does have a wooden handle, which is not heating up during serve. Eventually it will if it's over the flame, but generally it doesn't heat up by itself, so you can grab it safely even with bare hands. Also, a very cool feature is that hook. So many chefs like to hang their pans next to the stoves, so you have something to hook it on. So that's about it. Very useful, very versatile, quite heavy, which is great. It works with any type of stove, so you can put it on induction stove, electrical, gas, doesn't matter. You can even put it straight in the flame on a fireplace. Nothing will happen to it. If you're looking for a cast iron pan, you may also be interested in some grill pans, so just have a look at the website. There's a whole range of these pans on offer, so you definitely will find the ones that you need for your business. Each and every one comes with a 3-year warranty, which is great because, well, cast iron tends to be brittle, so it's good to be safe for such a long time. If something happens, you can just send it back and they'll fix it for you. Of course, because the cast iron is so brittle, the producer also made sure they pack it really well, and they put it in a really thick cardboard box, so it's actually double cardboard, really sturdy and tough, also with some packaging material in it, some bubble wrap and so on, so the device will not rattle around in the box during transport, so nothing should happen to it. Also inside you will find an instruction manual. Please have a read because there are a lot of information on how to treat the pan so it will keep for ages. For instance, advice in regards to cleaning. First of all, you should always wait for the pan to cool down before you put it under running water or well, generally into cleaning, because, well, if you put running water, cold water on it when it's hot, it will simply break. So otherwise it will keep for ages if you treat it right. So if you found this interesting, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment I can test for you and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching and I see you next time.